Hello guys, so what's up? Now today I'm here again with another video with the Rubik's snake. So today we're gonna make a kayak. So let's get started. Okay, so guys, first you see this black one that goes like this. And then you see this black that goes like this. And now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, and then you see this red that goes up. Then you see this black. This goes down twice. And then this red goes like this. And you have this. Now you see this black that goes up. So you basically count 1, 2, 3. So you count 3. And then you move the white or black or any color you have up. So right now I have a black, so I moved that up. Now you see this red that goes like this. Then this black goes down. And you have to make it touch to this side. Now this red will so you have this, and then this red you just turn it to the left and you have this. And now this black over here that will go up. And then this red over here that goes like this. Now this black that goes like this. And now you want this red and this red to meet like this. And now finally the last step. You turn the red like this. And you have your kayak. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please guys like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.